back to my channel. This is Naomi. I'm gonna unboxing my Barbie toy today. Look, my Barbie toy is cool. I'm going to unboxing it. I'm gonna open the tape. Wait, tape. There's tape. Okay. Let's get these toys. Oh, cool! I love it. It doesn't open. No. Put it here next to it. There's so much. A house. Popcorn, yummy. They can be yummy, but they're not healthy. A pillow. Oh. Rainbow. TV, nice. These are really hard to open. And look, water bottle. Look what I got. Couch.
That's a beanbag.
A beanbag and a couch. Put them all. Cool. Blankets. Barbie eating popcorn. Barbie watching TV, and Barbie working on the laptop. And this is Barbie's bed, and Barbie's book. Barbie watching laptop. Barbie talking to the Zoom with her friend. You love candy, Barbie's candy, popcorn. Barbie loves to eat popcorn. Yummy. Yum. Yummy. I'm gonna turn the remote off and watch TV. Beep. Okay. Wow, nice television. I love it. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie world. I'm a taxi. You can call me Barbie. Ever you want Barbie. I'm a taxi. Come on, Barbie. Let's go. Oh,